Hi everyone and welcome to another video from Danka Praktik. In this video we'll show you how to set up an Intex pool pump. This pump has the purpose of cleaning the water in the pool, so knowing this is important. Also, although this pump is made by Intex, the basic principle can be applied to pumps from other manufacturers since a lot of them are of similar build. So stay tuned.
Danka Praktik.
If you're interested in knowing how to install an above-ground swimming pool, take a look at our video where the whole procedure is explained from beginning to the end. Click on the link in the corner of the video or on the link in the description. The pool pump in this case comes inside a box located within a bigger box containing the pool. Inside you'll find all the parts. These would be the pump, the filter, hoses, clamps, plastic lids, connectors, and else. If you get confused, Intex provides a great manual in multiple languages where you have explanations of what and where everything goes. But once you see everything, you'll pretty much get the idea of what you're supposed to do. In most cases, like here, the pump already comes prepared for connecting it to the pool, filter inserted and all. If not, then insert the filter into the pump, put on the plastic lid and tighten it. Make sure to position the pump properly. Put it at a safe distance from the pool so water doesn't splash on it and so the hoses aren't bent. Our recommendation is to turn off the pump and move the power supply to a safe distance from the pool. Although these can be secured from splashing water in various ways, better safe than sorry. That's at least what we do, it's your choice. Also, if you can, make some sort of platform for the pump for more stability and safety. In this case, we've used 2 smaller wooden planks for this purpose. Next, connect the hoses to the pool and the pump. In this case, the upper opening on the pump goes to the lower connection on the pool. The lower opening goes to the higher connection. Also, mount the plastic connector with the valve on the pool because it's supposed to hold one of the hoses. Put clamps on all the hoses. Be sure not to over-tighten since they're plastic. After this, let the water flow into the pump and system. The water is released by removing the rubber plugs from the openings on the inside of the pool, and instead of the plugs, the plastic nozzles should be inserted. As you'll see, the water will flow naturally into the pump and hoses, but some air will be left in. Turn on the pump. Again, make sure that the power supply, which is an extension cord in this case, is at a safe distance. This air must get out so the pump can work properly. To vent the system, in this case, you can turn the valve on the mentioned plastic hose connector or on the plastic lid on the pump itself. In our case, the valve on the connector was enough to vent the system. If everything is okay, you'll see the water freely moving through the hose, the bubbles will eventually vanish from the hose, and a strong jet of water will appear within the pool. All of this takes about 15 minutes at most, and once you get the hang of it, it's very easy. Regarding the filter, change it on time as the manufacturer recommends. A dirty filter will seriously reduce the cleaning capacity. Once again, if there are any problems regarding the pool pump installation, everything is very well explained in the Intex manual. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe, it's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.